everyone. Today we join Santa and his trusty elf Elfie as they prepare for a Christmas surprise for 22 lucky students.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas everyone! Today we have a special task. Each of these magical ornaments contains a wish for one of you.
Take an ornament, make a wish and hang it on the tree. Santa and I will make the best the wish come true.
Now, let's see what wonderful wishes we have.
Wish for a friend on Christmas morning. A wish for a new computer. I wish for everyone to be happy and having good fortune. I wish for a new pizza. I wish for a good feast. I wish for a gymnastics mat. I wish for a baby dog. I wish for a piano. I wish for all people to be healthy. I wish for a rabbit. I wish for a new mobile phone. I wish for a squirrel as a pet.
I wish for a new bass guitar.
As the wishes are shared, the magic in the room grows stronger. But what about Santa's surprise?
It's time for the big surprise.
Now, close your eyes.
Wow!
Your wishes have made this Christmas extra magical. Now, who wants to join me on the Christmas sleigh?
Yay!
And so, with the power of wishes and the spirit of giving, this Christmas became a truly magical one for these 22 special students. Remember the magic of Christmas in sharing joy and kindness with others. Merry Christmas to all!